Hey there, health enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into the vibrant world of beet juice and the incredible benefits it brings to our health. If you've ever wondered about the magic behind those deep red roots, you're in for a treat. Stick around as we uncover why you should consider adding a glass of beet juice to your daily routine. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our wellness insights. Let's get started. 1. Nutritional powerhouse. Did you know that beets are a nutritional powerhouse? Packed with essential vitamins like A, C, and K, as well as minerals like potassium, magnesium, and iron, beet juice is a potent elixir for supporting your immune system, bone health, and energy levels. Plus, the rich folate content aids in cell regeneration and supports cardiovascular health. With such an impressive nutritional profile, it's no wonder beet juice is gaining popularity among health-conscious individuals. 2. Heart health. Here's the beet juice secret that cardiologists are excited about: its ability to promote heart health. The nitrates found in beets help to relax and dilate blood vessels, leading to improved blood flow and lower blood pressure. Regular consumption of beet juice has been linked to a reduced risk of heart disease and stroke. So, if you're looking for a natural way to support your cardiovascular system, a daily glass of beet juice might be just what you need. 3. Enhanced athletic performance. Calling all athletes and fitness enthusiasts, beet juice might become your new best friend. The nitrates in beet juice have been shown to enhance endurance and exercise performance. By increasing nitric oxide levels in the body, beet juice helps muscles use oxygen more efficiently, leading to improved stamina and reduced fatigue during workouts. So, whether you're hitting the gym or training for a marathon, consider adding beet juice to your pre-workout routine for that extra boost. 4. Cognitive boost. Want to keep your brain sharp as a tack? Beet juice could be the answer. The nitrates in beets not only benefit your body but also your brain. Improved blood flow to the brain means better cognitive function and reduced risk of cognitive decline as you age. Studies have even suggested that beet juice consumption may have a positive impact on conditions like dementia and Alzheimer's disease. It's like a natural brain booster in a glass. 5. Detoxification and digestion. Let's talk about detoxification and digestion. Beets are a fantastic source of fiber and antioxidants, which play a crucial role in supporting your digestive system and promoting detoxification. The betaine compound found in beets helps your liver process toxins, while the fiber aids in smooth digestion and prevents constipation. Including beet juice in your daily routine can be a delicious way to support your body's natural detoxification processes. 6. Thin glow. Who doesn't want radiant skin? Beet juice can help you achieve that coveted glow. The antioxidants and vitamins present in beet juice contribute to healthy skin by fighting off free radicals and promoting collagen production. Regular consumption might help reduce signs of aging, improve skin texture, and leave you with that natural, healthy flesh. Consider it your daily beauty elixir. Conclusion. There you have it, folks, the remarkable reasons why adding beet juice to your daily routine could be a game changer for your health and well-being. From its nutritional power to heart health support, improved athletic performance, cognitive benefits, and even a radiant complexion, beet juice has it all. Remember, though, it's always a good idea to consult your healthcare provider before making any significant changes to your diet. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Thanks for joining us today, and we'll catch you in the next one. Stay vibrant and healthy.